Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with next chapter, that is money. Money means currency of any country. So anything that we use to buy something, any goods, that is money. So it can be in the form of notes or it can be coins. Indian currency is rupees and paise. We have a symbol for rupees, that is this one. This symbol is of rupees. Suppose I have written here this. Here the number that is written before this dot, before this decimal, that represent rupees, and the numbers that is written after this decimal. We have two digits in paise. So the digits that are written after this dot, that will be paise. So we can express this in words as well as figures. So let's see. Here we have this symbol for rupees. In this example, 12 rupees is written. So what we are going to do is, first of all we have to put symbol of rupees. Now 12 rupees. It means before this dot we have to write 12. And here paise is not written. It means 0 paise. So after dot we will write 0, 0. So it is 12 rupees. Let's see next example. It is 45 rupees. It means, first of all we will write symbol of rupees. Now rupees we have 45. So 45 then dot. And we always write paise after that dot. So here we have 80 paise. So it will be 80. 80 paise. So let's read it. Rupees 45 and 80 paise. This way. Let's move on to next example. In this, rupees is not written. It means 0 rupee is there. So we have, first of all we will put rupee symbol. We have 0 rupees. Then after dot what will come? Paise. So here we have 90 paise. So we will write it down here 90. So how to read it? Rupees. It is 90 paise only. So now in next examples I have written some figures of this. We can express money in both form, word form and figure form also. So here in this case I have written money in figure form. How to express this in word form is, what to do? First of all we have to see how many rupees are there. So in this case we have 2, 8. Means 28. 28 rupees will come. Then we will not write dot here, we will write and. Instead of this dot we are going to write and. And after dot what is mentioned? Paise. So here we have 65 paise. We have 65 paise. Let's move on to next one. In this example we have 0 rupees. So we will not write rupees. Directly we are going to write paise. We have 45 paise. So here we will go. It is 45 paise. See in this example also, if only paise is written, we are going to put 0. And here 0 is there. It means we don't have any rupee. We have only paise, 45 paise. So we will write it like this in word form. Let's move on to next example. In this case you can see rupee 125. It means 125. We have 125 rupees, but we don't have any other paise. So what we are going to do is, we will write it down. 125 rupees. It is 125 rupees. And we will not mention paise because already it is 0. So this way we can change this to word form and figure form. So do more and more practice of such questions. Thank you.